Alright YouTube, today we're diving into a showdown between two heavyweights in the note-taking arena, Joplin and Notion. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, we have Joplin. This is a robust open-source note-taking app known for its simplicity and versatility. It offers features like markdown support, file attachments, to-do lists, and synchronization across devices. Joplin is favored by users who prioritize functionality and customization. On the other hand, we have Notion, often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of productivity tools. Notion goes beyond just note-taking, offering a wide range of features like databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and more. It's beloved by users who crave flexibility and organization in their digital workspace. Both Joplin and Notion offer benefits tailored to different needs and preferences. Joplin's simplicity and open-source nature make it a reliable choice for those who value ease of use and customization. Meanwhile, Notion's versatility and extensive feature set make it a powerhouse for organizing and managing projects of all sizes. When considering these two tools, it's important to note that Joplin is free and open-source, while Notion offers a freemium model with additional features available through a paid subscription. Additionally, Notion's learning curve may be steeper for some users due to its wide range of features and customization options. So, which one is better? Who wins this category? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for straightforward note-taking with basic features, Joplin would be perfect for you. But if you want a comprehensive productivity tool with endless customization options, Notion could be the better choice. Ultimately, it's about finding the app that aligns best with your workflow and goals. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Also, kindly hit the subscribe and notification bell for more videos like this. This is your buddy Josh, and I'll see you on the next one.